Okay, so less complex is what you're saying.
It's very, very simple is what I'm saying. So this is a manual action. So the special uniqueness of this product is that it's a human in the loop system. And this is the basic idea, is that you save the walking distance. So if you have a factory or warehouse where you have hundreds of meters of transport distance, my task is done when I click the button.
Hi, tell me all about this machine.
Yeah, thank you. So this is the J1600 Self-Driving Pallet Jack, and I want to give you a little demonstration of how it works.
Fantastic.
So the basic principle is first you go to where you want to drop your pallet.
Yeah.
So let's say we want to have a pallet drop location right here.
Okay.
We go to the save location.
Yeah.
We're going to give it a name.
Focus.
What do you want?
Focus.
Focus, yeah, okay. Focus location.
It's the name of my magazine.
Aha, okay.
Yeah.
So focus.
Yeah.
Focus 1 is going to be our location.
Okay.
All right, and we save it. Now we have a save location where we can automate the task to go and drop the pallet. Now
Okay.
we're going to go over and pick up a pallet, yeah?
All right, let's go.
So this is a manual action. So
Yeah.
the special uniqueness of this product is that it's a human in the loop system. So you have the human operator responsible for each task. That way you don't have a CMS system or WMS system to manage everything. You still have the operator in charge.
Okay, so it's a bit less complex is what you're saying.
It's very, very simple is what I'm saying.
Simple is good.
Yeah. So now we save the location. We're going to create a task. Okay. And we're going to say drop the pallet at the location.
Yeah.
Yes, we got the focus 1.
Yes.
All right. And now we want it to come back to us. And then we're going to execute this task.
Okay.
You're going to see that the robot is going to ask to get into automatic mode.
Yes.
So we need to confirm. Okay.
Okay.
And then it says, please step away. So we're going to give it some space.
Yeah.
And
Safety
now-
first.
Yeah, safety first. So it's got a 360-degree safety field, which enables us to drive both forwards and backwards with safety on. And it allows the robot to create new pallet locations anywhere you would like to do. So now you see the robot is going to drive over to the location we just saved.
Yeah.
It's going to drop the pallet. And this is the basic idea, is that you save the walking distance. So if you have a factory or warehouse where you have hundreds of meters of transport distance, my task is done when I click the button. And then the robot does the rest, and I can move on to the next thing. The robot comes back to me afterwards.
Yesterday we were talking about automation in our panel discussion. This is not full automation, obviously. Why not?
Because what we found that customers, like the barriers to full automation, why aren't more customers adopting full automation? We found that there are 3 reasons. Number 1 is the price. We wanted to make a product that is economically, good. It gives good economics for a small and medium company having a single shift operation.
Yeah.
You don't need to run 24/7 to get good economics. It's, by the way, it's a 65,000 euro product. Number 2 is flexibility. The customers don't want to be locked into a specific process. So when you automate a specific process, and then the customer is like, I don't want to be locked into that. So this one has all the flexibility of your manual pallet jack, because it is a manual pallet jack. It's a manual pallet jack and it's a robot. We call it dual mode. So you keep all the flexibility. You can do everything you could do before with your electrical pallet jack. And then the 3rd one is the complexity. So we try to make it super, super easy. And that's one of the reasons we have the human in the loop. It's not just because we like humans, we do, but it's really because the human can do things that are very hard to automate. The self-driving capability is extremely reliable. But if you want to do the last little bit, the last 5% of the task, it's very hard to automate, right? So it could be putting it into a conveyor, making sure the load is stable, even just where to place the load, right? So if there's no human in the loop, then you need to have a WMS system that communicates to your fleet management system, that tells the robot where to pick the load and where to drop the load. That's easily €1 million in investment,
Exactly.
This is 65,000 euros. You can rent it for 2,000 euros a month, and you can get started in an hour. So that's the proposition. Not 100%, 80% half the price, and quick to get going.
Sounds like a really good formula.
I hope so.
I wish you the best of
Thank
luck
you.
at the
Thank
IFOY
you.
Awards. I hope you win.